Ay! Ay, kabisado. Oh.
Sabi niya. Ay,
Jai, naka-iPhone 16 na siya.
kami ng damit.
Okay na? Sabi ko nga, hindi ka pupunta eh.
So yes, hello guys, welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is going to bond with my friend, bonding, yes. We're gonna celebrate his birthday. So like a birthday. So we have a lunch bonding with my friend because since like last week birthday, so we don't have time to celebrate or to meet each other because we have work each other. So so I am so sorry, my lips is very painful, so I cannot open up nicely because you know stress. So yes guys, so hope you see this video until the end of this video.
Oh.
Am I right? So yes, okay. Yes guys, so keep on watching guys. So ayan guys, so Laika is here guys. Ayan.
Look, she's fashion. Ha? Diba? Ganda siya, guys.
So ayan guys, so we're waiting here for one friend. So we're waiting for Leslie and we still have Mark. So Mark is on the way, but we're gonna meet there in Jollibee directly, yes? Hi guys, we're completely today. So we are here, Leslie. Ganda, kumusta ang kilay?
Okay naman.
Patingin niyo kung kilay mo.
Kami ilan. Saka ba sa kanya?
Dinro ko siya ng konti.
So nakakilay siya guys. Last week ano kami na. Wala mo ba? Oh, maraming kwento.
Asan yung gasgas?
Dito oh. So yan guys, pupunta na kami doon guys. Umiyak ka, girl? ano nga yung outfit niya?
Sabi niya. Ay,
Jai, naka-iPhone 16 na siya.
kami ng damit.
Okay na? Sabi ko nga, hindi ka pupunta eh.
Sige na.
Kaya nga, ibinta mo yung
Sa Jollibee niya kami guys.
Binta mo sa iba. Mas mahal.
Ay, order ka na. Sige na, mag-order na kayo dyan.
Ano sa akin?
Ano sa
Lulubusin ko na. Minsan na yun ko matulog.
Wala, right?
Oh.
Kukunin mo to. Malaki, no? Yung
Sa
kanya
juga ko
maliit.
to eh, binigay niya sa...
Shoes rebel nga tayo. Si birthday girl.
Ano mo malalaman na spicy?
Mapula.
Vlog pa lang.
Ay, kabisado. So yan guys, tapos na kami kumain ng Jollibee. So busog na kami din. So ayan na. So yan guys, thank you for watching guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for So thank you for watching na. Bye-bye.